Hey there, solar enthusiasts. I am back for another solar incentive video. Are you ready to unlock massive savings on your solar power system? Imagine slashing up to 40% off your installation costs and getting rebates that could pay you hundreds of dollars back in your pocket. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Well, it's possible, all thanks to some incredible solar incentives available right now. In today's video, we're diving into how homeowners, businesses, and farms can cash in on these amazing deals. Plus, I'll show you why choosing Leiden Solar means partnering with a company that's not just experienced, but truly passionate about powering your future. Stick around to find out how you can make the most of these opportunities and start saving today. Whether you're a homeowner, a business owner, or an agricultural producer, there are a number of incentives available to you that can help you save big on your solar investment. Let's start with the homeowners. One of the biggest incentives available right now is the federal tax credit, which allows you to deduct 30% of the total cost of installing your solar system from your federal taxes. It works as a dollar-for-dollar replacement of income tax. And it gets even better. If your system meets the domestic product threshold, you could qualify for a 40% tax credit. This is a huge opportunity to reduce the upfront costs of going solar. In addition to the federal tax credit, if you're in Wisconsin, you can also take advantage of a rebate from Focus on Energy. Homeowners can receive either $600 or $300 depending on the specifics of your project and your location. When you combine this rebate with the federal tax credit, the financial benefits start stacking up, making solar power an even more attractive investment. Now let's talk about business owners and agricultural producers. The incentives are even more impressive here. First, let's talk about the REAP grant. This grant can cover up to 50% of the total project cost, significantly reducing your out-of-pocket expenses. When you combine this with the federal tax credit, which, just like for homeowners, can be 30 or even 40% if the domestic product threshold is met, you're looking at a huge chunk of your project costs being covered. But that's not all. In Wisconsin, businesses and farms can also benefit from the Focus on Energy rebate, which offers $50 per kW installed. And don't forget about depreciation. Businesses can depreciate 85% of the total project cost, which further boosts your return on investment. When you add all these incentives together, the financial benefits can result in a nearly immediate return on your solar investment. Another important aspect to consider is net metering. This allows you to sell any excess electricity from your system back to the grid, further offsetting your energy costs. It's like getting paid for the energy you produce. And here's another lesser known tip. If you didn't take advantage of the tax credits in previous years, you can actually amend your tax credits for up to 3 years prior to claim the credit. Alternatively, if you can't use the full credit in the year you install your system, you can carry the unused portion forward to future years. Here at Leiden Solar, we're proud to be partnered with Leiden Drywall and Electric, a family-owned business with a remarkable 50-year history. This partnership combines decades of experience and expertise with a shared commitment to serving our community. My family's long-standing presence in the industry means we bring a wealth of knowledge and reliability to every project we do. We're dedicated to not only delivering top-quality solar installations, but also to supporting our community and customers every step of the way. Our passion for progress drives us to stay at the forefront of solar technology and innovation, ensuring that we provide the best solutions tailored to your needs. Choosing Leiden Solar means choosing a company with deep roots in the community, a proven track record, and a genuine care for your success. We're here to make your transition to solar as smooth and as beneficial as possible. So whether you're a homeowner looking to reduce your energy bills, or a business owner wanting to maximize your return on investment, these solar incentives are designed to make solar energy more accessible and more affordable for everyone. With all these options and the support of a trusted partner like Leiden Solar, there's never been a better time to go solar. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. We'll see you next time.